What is up, YouTubers? Welcome back to Alternation Outdoors. Today we're going to be discussing my new favorite tool. So, I guess a little background. Tool. What's tools got to do with outdoors? Well, I'll tell you. So, we just recently purchased a lot by our home, and I mean, it's been sitting up for 30 years. 30 years hadn't been touched. You can about imagine the work that needs to be done. Well, I needed some tools to help make this, a little more efficient, right? So, just getting it all done. There'll be some videos on that stuff later too, but cool fire pit, swings, seating area, just stuff for the kids, cool hangout spot. But anyways, today we're going to be discussing my new favorite tool. So I went round and round, a lot of talking, a lot of research, a lot of looking, but this is what I picked. After lots and lots and lots of reviews and also inquiring about the best products to go with, because I mean, I really don't know a whole lot about this stuff, right? I do know about all the name brands. I know there's a lot of them. I know that they all offer different things. I definitely reached out to quite a few friends. Shout out to Mr. Joe Clark, that is. Dude's a whiz. Dude's a whiz when it comes to small engines. And also my other buddy, Ricky Meat McLemore. Super awesome dude, man. Both of those guys just really in tune with what's going on with the small engines world, big engines world. Just, they read a lot, I guess. They're super smart. But anyways, I appreciate all their input and whatnot. But this is my new toy. So I went with this, it's a backpack blower, by the way, if you haven't seen that. The market is full of all kinds. There's tons of shapes, sizes, name brands, colors, you name it. There's tons of them. What I wanted was something that was strong enough to get the job done, wouldn't break the pocketbook, because some of these things are pretty pricey, but also would last. I want something that would last. Echo was my final decision. The Echo PB580 HT. And I'll show you here in a minute. I've actually been using it. The weather's pretty nasty right now. I started clearing out my lot. Thing's a dream. But I just kind of wanted to go over a few things, kind of why I went with this, right? So, steel. You hear a lot about steel. Steel equipment. I mean, it's good stuff, right? There's a lot of really good name brands out there. But I kind of, the steel dealerships, there's just not a lot of them, right? It's hard to find. Echo Equipment, Home Depot. Every town has a Home Depot. That was one of my number one drivers. Was super pleased about that. The next one, look right here. Look right here. 2-year commercial warranty, which we're not using, so we don't qualify for that because I'm not doing this commercially. 5-year consumer warranty. 5-year. This is something that comes with the unit. You don't pay for this, it comes with the unit. Echo stands behind their equipment. If they're going to give you a 5-year consumer warranty, which you got to read the fine print, there's a few things in there, but that's besides the point. 5-year consumer warranty, that's almost unheard of. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. But yeah, let me grab the unit. I'll show you what it's all about. So what we have here is a lean, mean leaf blowing machine. When I tell you a machine, I was super impressed. Super impressed. I'm not going into all the details on this thing. What I'm here to tell you is this is well worth the money. I mean, the quality, the craftsmanship, I mean, the build, the design, everything about it is awesome. For $379 is what I purchased this for. No warranty, nothing extra, just this out the box. Dude, you can't go wrong. So it was between this and a Stihl, a BR600 was what I was looking at. The BR600, as far as airflow and size and everything, it's just a hair bigger. But it's also almost $200 more. I couldn't see the point in that. This thing has really surprised me, right? I'm going to give you a couple of the things that I really do enjoy about this. Number one, this suspension that's on the pack, it absorbs like tons and tons. When it's on your back, you don't even notice it's running half the time. It is a little noisy, but I mean, that's expected. It's a 2-stroke engine. Second favorite thing, these straps are super ergonomic and comfortable. This padding right here, super comfortable, and there's a fan. Like, your back never sweats. It constantly blows like cool air on you. Can't go wrong with that. The handle and the whip, just easy to use. I opted not to put the second tube in just because of the length. Everything works out perfect for me. But yeah, everything about the unit, I mean, it's super nice. I mean, you can tell this is a well-built machine. Like, you can honestly look at it and see that it's going to hold up. Very simple design, easy to get to. Everything is centrally located, easy to pull. And this thing literally cranks on the first start every time. Can't go wrong with it. Like I said, this isn't an in-depth review on the piece of equipment. What this is to let you know that you don't have to have the biggest unit on the market, right? I looked at quite a few of them, like I said. I even looked at the bigger ones, like so even the Echo, the bigger units. I could have stepped up and for $479 got a little bit bigger unit. But I'm here to tell you that the leaves that I'm blowing are 30-year compacted leaves. This lot has never been cleaned, never had anything done with it. Yes, it takes a little longer with a smaller unit, but after the initial cleanup is done, that's it. There's no need for this giant unit anymore. All I need is this because I can maintain it. But I'm here to tell you, do not be afraid to go with the smaller package. It's well worth the money, right? Like I said, this is just a really quick video. I'm not telling you that this is the best unit on the market. What I'm telling you is if you're on the fence on size and make, you can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. And of course, no affiliation with Echo. I don't get paid anything. This is just solely me seeking information from others, gathering it, using it, love the equipment, want to share it with everybody else. So if you're in the market for a backpack leaf blower, can't go wrong with Echo. I promise you that. I promise you that. So I hope this helps. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button. Going to be some more stuff coming out. We got a couple more reviews, some other videos. It's almost wake season, so Wake Boat is actually going tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wake Boat is going for service. It's time to get that out of the storage. It's time to get on the lake. We're ready. Still a little chilly. Weather's still kind of but it's spring. That's expected, but it's coming. It's getting better. We got some fishing reviews, some equipment that I've been using actually for a while. I'll be dropping some of that soon. So yeah, stay tuned. Drop in. Give us some likes. Share it. You got any questions? You want to see a piece of equipment? You want to talk about something? Drop it down in the comments. Let's talk about it. All right. Later, y'all.